All right, hold up. Let me tell you how this one actually shocked me. I've been trading gold for years, blowing accounts, revenge trading, the whole drama. And then one random night, I threw this little thing called Golden Mirage EA V2.0 MT4 on a live $1,000 account, just to see if it's another one fake promise. Fast forward to November 2025, and I'm sitting here staring at plus 46.48% growth. Sipping coffee like, wait, did this bot just do that while I was sleeping? Yeah, man, today I'm breaking down exactly why the Golden Mirage EA V2.0 MT4 has me genuinely excited for the first time in forever. And trust me, after testing hundreds of bots, that's saying something huge. Let's jump in. Okay, unzipping it now. Double-click on that zip, and out pops the main EX4 file for the Golden Mirage EA V2.0 MT4, plus the set file and user manual tucked neatly inside. All right, super straightforward. I dragged it straight to my MT4 experts folder, restarted the platform, and boom, the Golden Mirage EA V2.0 MT4 icon shows up ready to attach to XAUUSD. If you've ever fumbled with a bot install, this one's forgiving. Like no errors, no missing DLLs, just pure ease. Now that the Golden Mirage EA V2.0 MT4 is humming on my live account, started with a chill $1,000 deposit on a hedging setup, minimum $500 is recommended. Let's geek out on my FX book because these verified stats don't lie, and man, they've got me hooked. Pulling it up here. Total growth of 46.48% in just this month, turning that starting balance into $14,647.50 with zero deposits or withdrawals, all on autopilot while I handled real life. Break it down for the newbies. Profitability at a stellar 66% out of 689 trades. That's 193 longs and 266 shorts winning big. Way better than most gold bots that chase wild swings. Average win? A juicy 1,023.90 pips or $16.90 per pop, while losses are reined in at negative 1,018.07 pips or negative $16.81 thanks to those built-in fixed stops and trailing features in the Golden Mirage EA V2.0 MT4 that keep drawdowns tame. Get this. Net pips, a whopping 235,813. That's the firepower for consistent XAUUSD scalps without overtrading. Drawdowns only 5.30% absolute, maxing at 30% relative. So even in choppy November sessions, my equity curve stayed smooth like butter. Risk of ruin basically zilch at 0.06%. Oh, and the profit factor? 2.20, meaning for every buck lost, you're banking over 2 back. Sharp ratios a bit low at 0.14, but hey, with a Z-score probability of 99.99% against clustering, it's got that random walk vibe pros love. Commissions? 0 on my broker, but even with fees, the expectancy of 342.3 pips or $6.75 per trade covers it easy. Average hold times 3 hours 18 minutes for those M5 precision entries. This week's up plus 7.69% with 173 trades, daily averaging 1.83%. And the monthly bar graph? Straight fire at 46.48%, no massive dips. I've traded manually forever, and the Golden Mirage EA V2.0 MT4's dynamic hedging feels like a safety net on steroids. Locking profits on gold volatility without me lifting a finger. If you're after bots that deliver 40% plus monthly without the heart attacks, this is your golden ticket, no cap. All right, let's go to the backtesting part, quick. Fired up the Golden Mirage EA V2.0 MT4 on MT4 with 3,002,528 ticks from September 2025 data, and solid numbers. Total net profit $50.66 on a $10,000 start. Gross profits $131.95, edging out losses of negative $81.29 for that clean edge. 88 trades total. Win rate 0% on shorts, but 70.68% longs overall. Average trade 1.68 pips. Max drawdown 15.38% absolute. Quick scalps under 30 million period. No drama, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the Golden Mirage EA V2.0 MT4 has you as pumped as it has me, after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot's available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting Golden Mirage EA V2.0 MT4 strategies. Links right there too. All right, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.